One of the many benefits of being a customer at Parks Lincoln of Tampa is how effortlessly we make scheduling your vehicle's maintenance service visits. You can schedule your next appointment in under 2 minutes by using our website online, or you also have access to our website using the Lincoln Way app in your phone. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from anywhere that you have access to the web. Once you are in our website at lincolnoftampa.com, from the choices near the top of the page, select the Service Link tab and choose the option Service Appointment Request. There are 4 easy steps to make your appointment before you book the service visit. Step 1. Vehicle Information Screen. Enter the phone number or email address to preload your vehicle's information from previous visits. If it's your first time, then press the I'm a new customer link and select the make, year, model, and trim level and enter the actual miles of your vehicle. Step 2. Services you are requesting. The most common maintenance services will appear based on the miles you've entered. Select one or choose All Services and Repair link to display more options to help us identify the reason for your visit. If the list of services or repairs is not helpful, then just press the Tell Us More at the bottom of the list. Now you can just type the reason for your visit. Step 3. Transportation page. Let us know if you prefer to bring your vehicle in or have us pick the vehicle up. Will you need a rental or the shuttle vehicle? Or maybe you prefer to wait in our comfortable customer lounge and take advantage of the complimentary services like access to Wi-Fi, snacks, and refreshments. Pick the one that best suits you. Step 4. Appointment for setting the date and time of your visit. Our schedule tool will list the time slots available based on the date that you have selected. It takes into consideration other appointments scheduled for that day. If you have a specific service advisor that you would prefer to work with, select them from the drop-down list. If you have no preference, then leave it in any advisor setting. Press Next. Now is time for you to book your visit. Just enter your name, cell phone number, and email address. As an added benefit, we can keep you posted with reminders and updates of your service visit by text notification. This is a preferred method by many of our customers. Be sure to turn on the request for text, email, and phone service notifications. A summary of your appointment can now be seen, and if ready, just press Book Service. It's that simple. Our friendly service concierge will contact you if any other information is needed. We're looking forward to assisting you with any of your vehicle's maintenance needs.